My name is George Mulligano.
Yeah, George. And how did you find Unity of Woodstock here?
Well, at one time I was a musician, and my wife Lori is also a musician, and she got a gig here playing with several other musicians. I don't know if you want to hear their names, but it was for a weekday service, an evening service on a Wednesday evening. Reverend Tom was talking about sexuality and spirituality and the connection between them. And I thought, okay, I came from a Catholic background and I'd been not practicing for many, many years. And I also wanted to see where my wife was going to be playing, because I know the other musicians as well. And playing for a spirituality, sexuality thing I thought was fascinating. So I came and I listened to Rev Tom talk about it, and I was entranced and very enthusiastically enjoying the concept that sex could be talked about in church. I thought that was fabulous. So that's what drew me here. That's what piqued my interest.
Yeah. And then did you become involved here?
Yes, I started by playing a few Sunday services as a guitarist and a singer, often with my wife, Lori. And at the time, we were in Crystal Lake, renting space at, I think it was the Masons Church. And we had to set up a sound system and put chairs out and all this kind of stuff for every Sunday service, and then tear it all down at the end. So I started by helping out with all the setup and tear down, and then I kind of realized that they needed help with sound and sound systems, and which I'm very interested in, and that excites me. So I participated in that. I jumped in with doing the sound for the services, and then contributing equipment, because I have a ton of equipment that became very useful in what we were doing.
Wonderful.
So that's my interest: music, sound, and sex.
And then what do you love about this place?
What I love about it is the freedom, the free thinking, the desire to move out of the center of comfort zones and into areas that are, I think, intellectually stimulating. I think that Rev Mary Patrice and Rev Tom do a fantastic job of bringing up concepts that you don't normally hear in church. And I like that the ritualism that I objected to in the Catholic Church, I didn't feel like it was meaningful to me, is not here. That there is a respect for other religions, a respect for the way that other people think, and it's kind of an all-encompassing desire for peace across everything. I don't want to even specify across. It's peace everywhere, respect, and the idea that you can love everyone and everything. So that to me is what brings me here.
Thank you so much.